One of the most important things that you can do for yourself individually and also in building a team is to honestly know yourself, know your preferences, know your strengths and weaknesses, and then see how you can fit together. And if you're building a team, you have to look at that from the top down and see what are those people like and how do they fit together in terms of their strengths and weaknesses. And I created this Principles U test. You can go take it and you'll learn about yourself. And when others take it, you can learn about them, because it tells a lot about how one thinks and the preferences they have and how to create the organizations. Before I put psychometric testing into Bridgewater, people would get very frustrated with each other. Like the big picture thinker would say the detail thinker, what do you get all hung up on the detail? And the detail thinker would think about the big picture thinker. They would say, you've got your head in the clouds, you've got to get practical. And the truth was that both were true, and when they worked together, they understood that. They didn't understand that people think differently, and they didn't understand how to use it until there was good psychometric testing, and then using that psychometric testing to build teams. So I recommend it.